Hello, in this video I will show you how to add members to a group membership from the ARMember admin panel. Go to the ARMember group membership page. This is the ARMember Manage Group membership page. Here you can see the records of users who have purchased a group membership plan. You are already hovering over a record, so the Add Child User icon should be visible. Click on that icon. ARMember provides two types of Add Child User options. The first is New User and the second is Existing User. Enter the username or email address of the existing user. Once the user appears in the search results, select the user you want to add to the group membership plan. The child user has been added successfully to the group membership plan. For the member to whom you added the child user, click on the Total Child Users count. Here you can see the child member list, including the user that was newly added. Now go to the front end and log in with the main member account, also known as the parent member. Now that the member is logged in, open the Member panel. This is the Member panel. Open the Group Child List tab to view all child members associated with this group membership plan. That's it. This is how you can add members to a group membership from the ARMember admin panel.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.